Hi kids, with me Teacher Zhu discussing self-exercise 3.5, textbook page 95. Okay, all these questions involving definite integrals. Okay, now we do number 1, okay, 1A. Integrate from 2 to 4, x cubed dx. Okay, so integrate become x 4 power of 4, x power of 4 over 4. Then we substitute the upper limit and minus the lower limit. Okay, so 4 power of 4 over 4 minus 2 power of 4 over 4. Okay, so here the final answer would be 60. Okay, for question B, integrate 1, 4, 2 over x squared dx. Okay, so this one you have to move up x squared become 1, 4 to x power of negative 2 dx. Okay, then we integrate. Here we get to x power of negative 1 over negative 1. Okay, so before we substitute the upper limit and minus the lower limit, you have to simplify first, become negative 2 over x 1 4. Okay, so then substitute 4 here, negative 2 over 4 minus negative 2 over 1. Okay, equals to 3 over 2. Question C, integrate 1 5 to x squared plus 3x dx. Okay, so this one directly we integrate to x cubed over 3 plus 3x squared over 2 from integrate from 1 to 5. Okay, so you substitute upper limit 2 over 3, 5 cubed plus 3 over 2, 5 squared. Okay, minus 2 over 3, 1 cube plus 3 over 2, 1 squared. Okay, so here the final answer would be 3, 5, 6 over 3. Okay, then question D. Okay, D, integrate to 6, 1 over x cubed minus 2x dx. Okay, so to 6, x power of negative 3 minus 2x dx. Then start to integrate. So x power of negative 2 over negative 2 minus 2x squared over 2. So integrate from 2 to 6. Okay, so this one we simplify. Here we have negative 1 over 2x squared minus x squared. Okay, to 6. Okay, so this one we substitute the upper limit. Okay, which is 1 over 2, 6 squared minus 6 squared minus lower limit negative 1 over 2, 2 squared minus 2 squared. Okay, so which is equals to negative 287 over 9. Okay, E, integrate 1 3 3x minus square root x dx. Okay, square root is power of half, so 3x minus x power of 1 over 2 dx. So integrate 3x squared over 2 minus x power of 1 over 2 plus 1. So 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Okay, 1 3. Okay, here substitute. Okay, we substitute. So this one 3 over 2, 3 squared minus, this one we simplify first. Okay, we simplify. Become 3 over 2 x squared minus 2 over 3. Okay, square root x cube. Okay, 1, 3. Okay, so then substitute. So 3 over 2. 3 squared minus 2 over 3. Square root 3 cube. Okay. Minus 3 over 2, 1 squared minus 2 over 3, square root 1 cube. Okay, this one we just press the calculator. It will be 9.2026. Okay, so then the last one for question number 1, F. Integrate 3, 5 x minus 1 over square root x dx. Okay, so 3, 5 x minus x power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, so negative 1 over 2 dx. Integrate x squared over 2 minus x a negative half plus 1. So 1 over 2 over 1 over 2. Okay, so we simplify first. Here x squared over 2 minus 2 square root x. Okay, 3, 5. Okay, so then we substitute the upper limit minus the lower limit. Okay, so 5 squared over 2 minus 2 sed 5 minus 3 squared over 2 minus 2 sed 3. Okay, this one as well you press the calculator 6.9920. Okay, then we move to the next question, which is question number 2. Find the value of each of the following definite integrals. So integrate to 4x cubed plus x squared over x. Okay, so we simplify each terms we divide by x. So to 4 x cubed over x plus x squared over x. Okay, this one become x squared plus x. Okay, then you integrate one by one. Okay, this one we have x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2. So then we substitute upper boundary, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so 4 cubed over 3 plus 4 squared over 2 minus 2 cubed over 3 plus 2 squared over 2. Okay, so the final answer would be 74 over 3. Okay, so move next question, question B. Integrate 1, 3, same thing happen here, okay. So we need to simplify first. Okay, each terms you divide by x squared. So 1, 3, 5 over x squared plus x squared over x squared dx. Okay, this one, here we have 5x negative 2 plus 1. Okay, then we integrate one by one. So 5x power of negative 1 over negative 1 plus x. Then we substitute. Before that, we simplify negative 5 over x plus x. Okay, here negative 5 over 3 plus 3 minus negative 5 over 1 plus 1. Okay, so then we solve, become 16 over 3. Okay, next question C. Okay, quite long. Okay, so 1, 5, 2x plus 3 x minus 2 over x power of 4. Okay, then we expand first. Okay, here we go to x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 over x power of 4 dx. Okay, so 1, 5. Simplify first. Okay, so 2x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, each over x power of 4, x power of 4, x power of 4. Okay, so dx. Okay, then we simplify 1, 5. Okay, 2x power of negative 2 minus x power of negative 3 minus 6x power of negative 4. Okay, then we integrate one by one. So this one, 2x power of negative 1 over negative 1 minus x power of negative 2 over negative 2 minus 6x power of negative 3 over negative 3. Okay, please careful, okay. This one we simplify. Here we have negative 2 over x plus 1 over 2x squared plus 2 over x cubed. Okay, so substitute upper boundaries. So which is negative 2 over 5 plus 1 over 2, 5 squared plus 2 over 5 cubed. Okay, minus negative 2 over 1 plus 1 over 2, 1 squared plus 2 over 1 cubed. Okay, so then the final answer is negative 108 over 125. Then question D, what we got is 3, 4, 3x minus 4 squared. Okay, so for this we integrate. This one become power of 3 over 3. Then we differentiate, function in the bracket become 3. Okay, so 3, 4. Then we substitute upper boundaries, upper limit. So 3 times 4 minus 4 cube over 9 minus 3 times 3 minus 4 cube over 9. Okay, so this one, it would be 43. Okay, so then for the next question, question E. So upper limit is 1, lower limit is negative 3. So here we have 3 over 5 minus 3x cubed dx. So therefore, we move up. This one become 3 times 5 minus 3x power of negative 3 dx. So we integrate. So 3, 5 minus 3x power of negative 2 over negative 2 times negative 3. Okay, so negative 3, negative 1. Okay, so then we simplify. Okay, here we can simplify 1 over 2. 5 minus 3x squared. Okay, so then we substitute upper limit. So negative 1 over 2. 5 minus 3 times negative 1 squared. Okay, minus 1 over 2. 5 minus 3 times negative 3 squared. Okay, so then the rest, this one is 2 power of, okay, 33 over 6 to 7, 2. f. Okay, here we have 2 over square root 3 minus 2x dx. So this one become 2 power of 2 times 3 minus 2x power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, so we integrate. So this one 3 minus 2x power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1, 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 times differentiate function in the bracket is negative 2. So 0, negative 2. Okay, so here is negative 2, 3 minus 2x power of half, or square root. Okay, so square root 3 minus 2x. Okay, upper limit is 0, lower limit is 2. Okay, so then you substitute 0 here. So negative 2 square root 3 minus 2 times 0. Okay, minus negative 2 square root 3 minus 2 times negative 2. Okay, so this one negative 2 square root 3 plus 2 square root 7. Okay, so this one is 1.8274. Okay, now question number 3. Given integration from 2 to 5 fx dx equals to 3. Find the value for each of the following. Okay, so A, integrate 5 to fx dx. Okay, so we know that we have loss of definite integrals when we exchange the lower and upper boundaries, lower and upper limit, the value become negative. Okay, so here we have negative 2 5 fx dx, okay, equals to negative 3. Okay, just like that. Okay, so then number 3b. Okay, 3b. 251 over 2 fx dx. Okay, and we have loss of definite integrals as well. When we have constant here, we can move out. Okay, 1 over 2, 25 fx dx. Okay, just now the value of this integration is equals to 3. So 1 over 2 times 3 equals to 3 over 2. Okay, question C. 2, 5, 3fx minus 2 dx. Okay, for this kind of question, you have to separate first. Okay, this one, 2, 5, 3fx dx minus 2, 5, 2 dx. Okay, now we have constant here, we can move out. So 3, 2, 5 fx dx. Okay, then this one we integrate. Okay, integrate number become 2x. Okay, 2, 5. Okay, so this one is the value of all these things equals to 3. So all these things equals to 3. So here 3 times 3 minus, substitute upper limit. So 2, 5 minus 2 times 2. Okay, so 9 minus 10 plus 4, which is equals to 3. Number 4, given 37 fx dx equals to 5 and 37 kx dx equals to 7. Okay, so here we have two functions. Okay, this one and another one, this one. Okay, so find the value for each of the following. Okay, so for question A, 37 fx plus kx dx. Okay, first of all, we separate first. So become fx dx plus 37k x dx. Okay, so we need to choose the correct value. Okay, so here we have kx. Okay, and this one is fx. Okay, so then we for fx, the value of integration from 3 to 7, fx dx equals to 5. Okay, the integration for from 3 to 7, kx dx equals to 7. So finally, the answer is 12. Question B. Okay, 3, 5 fx dx minus 7, 5 fx dx. Okay, so we try to exchange for this one, we try to exchange the upper and lower limit. So this one, 3, 5 fx dx minus negative. Okay, so 5, 7 fx dx. Okay, here then we can add these two, 3, 5 fx dx plus 5, 7 fx dx. Okay, so here you can see the boundary is actually continuous. Okay, so therefore we can combine these two, become 3, 7 fx dx, which is dx, okay, which is equals to fx, okay, which is equals to 5. Okay, for C, integrate C. Okay, integrate 3 to 7 fx plus 2x dx. Okay, we separate these two, become fx dx plus 3, 7 2x dx. Okay, so fx is this one. Okay, which is equals to 5. Okay, okay, but for this one, this one is an expression, so we integrate first. Okay, so 2x squared over 2. Okay, so then we simplify and we substitute the upper limit. So 7 squared minus 3 squared. Okay, so 49 minus 40 plus, so 45.